guys! Welcome back to my channel. In this video I am doing this very glowy and just very red makeup. It is a super soft cut crease with a red liner and a couple of red lips. So yeah, I hope that you will enjoy this tutorial, and if you want to see how I made this happen, just keep on watching. So as usual, I am starting with brows, and today I am using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Beauty Express for brows and eyes. Like so. And today I am priming my lids using the NYX HD Studio Photogenic Concealer. Like so. And today, I think like last time, yeah, today I'm going in with the Modern Renaissance palette by Anastasia Beverly Hills. And I am going in with the color Venetian Red. And I will be putting this in my crease. And next I'm going in with Red Ochre. And I will be putting a little bit of this in my crease as well. Like so. And next I will be going in with the color Tempera, and I will put this all over the rest of my lid. Like so, and I'm also putting a bit of this under my brow. This next part I have no idea if it's safe or not. Probably not, because yeah, but still. I will be going in with the my signature liquid matte lipstick from Amberly Cosmetics, and this is beautiful. I actually got it at Stockholm Beauty Week. They were handing these out, which I liked because I like free stuff. But it's a gorgeous red. And I will be using it as eyeliner today. It started out good, but then it kind of turned to shit, but that's okay. Every day can be a good day, and that's okay. Next, I'm going in with the Big Eyes liner from Maybelline, like I usually do. And I will take the black side and put it in my upper waterline. Like so. And next, I will be going in with mascara. So I'm using the veryme Extendalash Mascara from Oriflame. And now I will be moving over to base. So as usual, as I will probably do all summer, I am using the Dream BB Fresh from Maybelline. And next I'm going back in with the HD Studio Photogenic Concealer from NYX. And I will be putting this below my eyes, for example. And next I'm going in with powder, so I am using the Sheer Finish Loose Powder from Lumene. And next I'm going in with the clear eyebrow gel from the Browgal. And now I'm taking the Infinity palette by Hallberg Cosmetics. And I'm using the colors Maffei and Cigar to shade my face. And for blush today, I will be using the color Pinwheel, which is this one. And for highlight, I will be going in with the color Milky Way. Like so. And now I will be going back in with the eyes. So I'm going back in with the Modern Renaissance palette and the color Venetian Red, and I will be putting this under my lower waterline. And now I'm going back in with the Big Eyes liner from Maybelline. And I am using the white side on my, well, in my lower waterline. And I'm also going back in with the veryme Extendalash Mascara from Oriflame, and I'm putting this on my lower lashes. And now I'm actually going in with the Sculpting lip liner from Isadora. And this is in the color Rum Raisin, I believe. And I will be using this to line my lips. So pretty. I look like I'm from the 90s. Now I am going back in with the liquid matte lipstick from Beverly Cosmetics. Like so, and I've just gotta tell you, this liquid matte lipstick is the softest I've ever tried in my whole life. It just glides on so effortlessly, and it just feels like, I don't know, it's just so soft. So you have to try this, it's amazing. Amazing. And for lashes today, I will be wearing the Dauntless lashes by LA Splash. But I will be putting those on off camera, so when I'm back, I will be done. So I'll see you in a second. So this, you guys, is the finished look. I think that it turned out super pretty, right? Well, I hope you also found it super pretty. But I'm also like sweating so much, and that's why I'm so freaking shiny. It is so hot in here. But let's just pretend it's like glow. Yeah. Safety tip though, don't put anything on your lids that you don't know is approved for putting around your eyes. You should never do that. I have no idea if this is approved or not, so I shouldn't do that, but I do it anyways. Yeah. But yeah, I hope that you enjoyed this tutorial, and if you did, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, give the video a thumbs up, and to leave a comment saying what you thought or what you want to see next time, and I will see you in my next video.